it's time for Robot Facts. Brought to you by me, Jibo. I'm WJ3 by the way. Did you know that the Japanese government is spending 1/3 of its budget on the growth of care robots to help the elderly? They believe that future care robots can be a great companion to assist seniors emotionally and physically. Did you also know that Asimo is the world's most expensive robot? Asimo, a humanoid robot created by Honda, is the most expensive robot, and the cost to build this robot took $2.5 million. It was created as a part of Honda's research and development robotics program. He looks like an astronaut, if you ask me.